Hey there. Now I know nothing's worse than going outside only to have your toes freeze in seconds, or to be caught off guard by a stray patch of ice. My name is Tim, and on this episode of Gear Up With Gregg, we're going to talk about how Baffin Boots are designed to keep you warm, dry, and out of harm's way, no matter the weather. The Baffin line of footwear was created to provide protection against Canada's uncompromising landscapes and rugged climate. Paul Hubner, the founder of Baffin, learned the secret about winter footwear from his father, Peter. Peter spent time in Canada's Arctic working with local Inuit peoples to source sealskin boots and traditional cold climate footwear. And the secret to how you keep warm in even the coldest climates? That's right, layers. This formula for heat resulted in the fundamental layering structure that Baffin uses in their footwear. Now I know what you're thinking, a boot is a boot. But what's inside these boots is surprisingly impressive. Let's take it apart and get a closer look. We will start with the bottom layer, the sole. The sole of a boot is composed of three parts: the insole, the midsole, and the outsole. The insole is the layer of material that creates a barrier between the sole and the wearer's foot. The midsole is the layer between the insole and the outsole that provides cushioning and shock absorption. It's also where the safety toe and plate rest, buried beneath the surface, keeping your feet safe. This toe and plate may be constructed from steel or a much lighter, warmer composite material. The outsole is the part of the shoe that touches the ground. The design of the outsole is just as crucial as the design of the boot, since different styles of outsoles work better in different environments. Let me show you what I mean. When it's cold outside, keeping warm isn't the only thing you have to be worried about. The tread design on the outsole is one of the only things between you and a nasty slip on the ice. If your tread pattern is shallow and has a flexible sole like this one, it's designed for all day on hard surfaces such as pavement or concrete. This ensures that you'll stay comfortable for longer while walking on a hard, flat surface. Meanwhile, if your tread is more aggressive like this one, it's designed for use in slick circumstances. That, combined with the non-slip compound of Baffin's outsole, is what gives you a boot that performs better in slippery conditions. Baffin's multi-layer system means that your feet stay dry and warm no matter how cold it is outside. Let's break it down a little using the Derek winter boot as an example. Starting at the bottom, we've got the vaporized aluminum membrane. This silver surface material reflects your body heat back toward your foot and keeps the cold toward the outside. Next is the waffle cone footbed, which creates a space for warm air underfoot. This keeps enough space open for that reflected body heat to linger, keeping your feet warm. After that is the polyester wool blend layer, surrounded by two more layers of vaporized aluminum membrane that helps keep your toes safe from any cold or moisture in the outside environment. A Hydromax moisture reservoir layer, surrounded by hollow fiber insulation, acts as a moisture control system, keeping the foam layer dry while funneling water vapor out of the boot. After the form-fitting Baffin Polymech foam layer, the innermost layer is the ThermoPlush wicking comfort layer. This layer is a next-to-skin layer and feels remarkably soft and smooth, providing a super comfortable wear. And, encompassing all of this, the premium waterproof ColdFlex shell. Wow, that's 9 layers working together to keep you warm. Baffin's footwear also features 4 different rubber compounds in their construction, which will vary based on your needs. The traditional thermoplastic rubber is better for agriculture and industrial environments and works to help keep you warm in temperatures down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. This Hunter insulated rubber boot features this compound. They are lightweight and flexible with a 1-inch snow cuff to keep your feet warm and dry no matter how much snow might hit the ground. The Hunter boot also features a long-wear self-cleaning outsole. Ultraflex is an acid and oil-resistant compound that will stay flexible even at low temperatures. This material is great for agricultural, chemical, and industrial environments. The Bully rubber boot is made using Ultraflex and has a wider fit a comfort-crafted insole, and a Gel Flex fatigue-resistant midsole. This combination helps to keep your feet from aching after a whole day standing on concrete. OARPRENE is a lot like Ultraflex, but it stays strong against a wide range of chemicals. This sturdy material is made to last and is recommended for agriculture, chemical, cold weather, construction, industrial, and petrochemical environments. The refinery insulated rubber boot has all the benefits of the hunter boot, but includes a tougher skin and steel toe and plate to keep your feet safe even in an environment with higher levels of risk. And finally, polyurethane. It's a perfect fit for any environment. It's lightweight with abrasion, cold crack, oil, and acid resistance. This compound was specifically engineered for the North American market, so you know this boot will hold up even in the harshest winter. The Ice Bear boot is quite a beast, so to speak. Just look at that lug design. Even on the ice or in extreme cold conditions, this boot will provide you with the superior traction you need. These boots are comfort rated to a minus 50 degrees Celsius with a metal-free safety toe and plate. Baffin also carries a series of winter boots, which are great for that hike up a mountain in the middle of a snowstorm or that trek to your car across an icy parking lot. The Derrick winter boots have the same outsole design as the Ice Bear, so you know the traction is going to be great. The Derrick has the best features of the other Baffin boots, designed to provide you the most amount of comfort, all while keeping you warm. It includes a Gel Flex midsole and an improved fit to allow for maximum comfort and support. It even has high visibility reflective strips. Also, these boots are rated up to an amazing minus 100 degrees Celsius. Whoa, now that's cold. Now, if you have any other questions or want to try on your very own pair of Baffin boots, please don't hesitate to come into one of our many branches or give us a call. Or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Tim, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.